Deborah D was just in for a lick and a promise.
Yeah, it wasn't going to take a moment,
That's all
was
it was
it?
going to be. We're just
18 months later.
slip it in for a lick and a promise.
Yeah.
Every Saturday, worked on the Deborah D.
So how long was that for?
18 months, Cole said.
Yeah, we worked on it. Cole and I worked on it pretty much full time for 4 months, and then every Saturday after that for about a year or the other 14 months. Yeah.
Amazing.
Now it's back in good condition, back in the river.
Yeah. In good hands.
Yeah. It's good to get it back in the water.
It was pretty exciting, wasn't it?
When you saw the little Deborah D down at the pontoons after she was refurbished with Howard, and she was sitting there.
I'm positive the boat knew. She was just sitting there bobbing, and I thought, you know, don't you?